focus right now is on the politics because there doesn't seem to be any end to it now. Rahul Gandhi too has come out and made a statement. He's commented on the train tragedies that according to him has taken place in the last 10 years. Yes, Pratibha, what is he saying?
So it's not just the Congress but also the TMC that's politicizing the issue, and let me take you through what Rahul Gandhi has tweeted, Amita. This is in Hindi. Let's translate it for our viewers. He goes on to say that the news of the death of many people due to the accident of Kanchenjunga Express in West Bengal is extremely sad. I express my deepest condolences to all the bereaved families and hope for the speedy recovery of the injured. The government should immediately provide full compensation to all victims and their families. The Congress workers are requested to provide all possible assistance in relief and rescue efforts. And then here comes the politics in the tweet. He says there is an increase in the railway accidents in the last 10 years. This is a direct result of the mismanagement and negligence of the Modi government, which results in the loss of lives and property on a daily basis. He says today's accident is another example of this reality. As a responsible opposition, we will continue to question this blatant negligence and hold the Modi government accountable for these accidents. And it's not just the Congress party. The TMC has also tweeted on the same. Sagrika Ghosh saying, yet another train accident. The citizens are paying with their lives for the failures of the Modi ministers, still promising bullet trains and other fantasies while failing to ensure basic safety for rail passengers. Too many are losing their lives. Enough is enough. Rail minister needs to put in his papers. A similar demand also coming in from Riju Datta of the TMC, who has said Ashwini Vaishnav must resign. Separate rail budget was abolished by Modi's BJP in 2016. With that, accountability for any rail disaster was diluted. Year after year, one rail accident after another with many dead and more injured, yet no accountability. The incompetent Ashwini Vaishnav continues as the rail minister, and Modi shamelessly parades Vande Bharat over the dead bodies of innocents recovered from mangled coaches. So demanding the resignation of the railways minister Ashwini Vaishnav over the accident.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.